Every DynamoDB dev has a scratch file full of copied JSON. That's the tooling, not you. The console can't join. Nothing auto-completes. You're guessing at your own schema. DynoTable is keyboard first. Command-K to any table, filter it, walk the rows, open an item, edit it. Your edit stage as a diff, you review before anything commits. Don't know the access pattern? Ask. The agent reads your schema and builds the view on your own AWS Bedrock, so your rows never leave your account. DynamoDB can't join. DynoTable joins on your machine. Connect the tables once, and the joins are key lookups, not extra scans. Write real SQL. Joins group by aggregates. That one-off script you were about to write? Gone. Point cloud code or cursor added over MCP. Opt-in per connection. And everything it changes lands in the same staging diff. Agents propose. You commit. DynoTable joins real SQL and an agent on your own credentials in your own account.